QNT in its breakdown move continues to hold within our key area of support that lies between the $68.4 and the $61.3. And at the time of this recording, we have also lost the 20-day MA here on the 4-hour chart, flipping it back into resistance. And on today's video, I will be discussing an Elliot structure that is playing out here on this chart, and above all discuss my long-term price prediction analysis. So make sure that you stick around till the end of the video. And for those of you that might want to take a trade on QNT, you can check out BitGet, where you can see that on signing up, you can be able to claim a welcome pack of 6,200 USDT in rewards. And all you need to have for you to register for an account is an email address, and alternatively you can use your mobile number to register for an account. Jumping back to the 4-hour chart, I want to start the video by first giving you a recap of what has been happening from the lows that we made on the 6th of September, where you can see that we saw a very nice bounce to the upside in a move that gave us a high above the $81, in a move that I have been terming as an impulsive Elliot wave count 1. And after we picked in that Elliot wave count 1, I have been expecting that we are going to see a bit of a short-term breakdown move in a wave 2, whose minimum target areas can be given by connecting the Fibonacci's from the low of the first wave to the high of this wave 1, giving me a minimum pullback target area between the Fib level 0.5 and the Fib level 0.78, and that is between the $68.5 and the $61.4, which is an area that we have almost fully maximized and also continued to hold within the area, which should also act as support. And as long as we are holding within this area, there are very high chances that in the next coming days we are going to see a reversal, see a break above key areas of resistances above the $78, and also the significant high we made above the $81, confirming to us that we have started an impulse to the upside in this Elliot wave count 3, whose minimum target areas can be given by connecting the trend-based Fibonacci from the low of the first wave to the high of this Elliot wave count 1, then dragging the fibs to the lows that we have at the moment in this wave 2, giving us a minimum target area for the third wave at the Fib level 1.618, and that is above the $104.8. Then we can expect a short-term pullback in a wave 4, then continue pushing even higher in an Elliot wave count 5. So that is the price action that I'm expecting to play out as long as we continue holding between the $61.3 and the $68.4. And on the worst case scenario, in case we continue seeing further breakdown moves, and maybe at some point we break out of our target area to the lower side, then that will be suggesting that we are going to see a reset of the low that we made on the 6th of September below the $56. And on losing that significant low, then expect a reset of the low that we made below the $50. So that is the worst case scenario that we need to have in mind in case we lose significant key areas of support. Jumping to the daily chart, I still believe that we got our bear market lows below the $40 and started an impulsive movement to the upside in a 5-wave structure that peaked above the $229, completing the formation of this Elliot wave count 1. Then we started a bit of a breakdown move in a larger Elliot wave count 2 into the minimum pullback target areas highlighted on the charts using this red target area, an area that I came up with using the Fibonacci, connecting the fibs from the bear market lows to the highs above the $229, giving me a minimum pullback target area between the Fib level 0.5 and the Fib level 0.78, and that is between the $134.8 and the $81.2, which is an area that we have now fully maximized. And you can see that at some point we lost the Fib level 0.78, but lucky for us that we continue to hold above the Fib level 0.88 that lies above the $63.6, which is the last line of support here on the Fibonacci's. But if by any chance we see QNT in the next coming days lose this key area on the Fibonacci's, then that will be suggesting further breakdown moves in a move that can easily give us a reset of the bear market lows and possibly give us new bear market lows. So that is what I'm expecting to play out here on the daily chart. But as long as we continue holding above the fib level 0.78, the fib level 0.88, and maybe at some point we also see a 5-wave structure confirming to us that we have a low in place for this wave 2, then I will be expecting to see an impulsive Elliot wave count 3 in the next coming days, possibly taking us to new all-time highs in this bull market. So that is the price action that I'm expecting to play out on the QNT chart for the next coming hours and days, and let's be patient and see how that plays out, and I will be keeping you up to date.